It's the board game walkthrough, and today I'm going to be opening 2 Pokemon packs. First, I'm going to open a Breakthrough, and then I'm going to open Fates Collide. So, let's get started. So, I'm going to open this. So, I've opened it, and so we got a Starfly. I got a Fennekin. I got a Flabébé. I got a Sandshrew. I got a Cubone. Oh my gosh, guys! I got a Zoroark break card. I got a break card. That's cool. Now I got a Simipour. I got Piloswine. I got a Special Energy. I got a Brixen. Whoops. And now let's open the other pack. I got a Fennekin. I got a Solosis. I got a Snivy. I got Meowth. I got Gothita. Energy Reset. An Aerodactyl. Wormadam. Servin. Hey, I got Snivy and Servin. They're the two evolved, or whatever, the two evolved. Sure. I got Shauna. And as normal, I got one of these. So, I hope you like this video. Bye!